Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today I want to answer a question I saw on Reddit not too long ago, and the question was, how many blog posts should I post a week? And that's a question I deal with all the time for myself. And is it a magic number? Is it four? Is it five? Is it two? Is it one? What is it? How many blog posts do I need per week for my blog to be successful? And then when I first started my blog, thexking.com, I was like, how many should I do? How many should I write? How long should it be? What should I write about? Etc. So today I'm asking, how many blog posts per week do you need to write on your blog? And it's a two-part answer. Number one, it depends on how many can you do in a week. If you could do 3 in a week, do 3. If you could do 2 in a week, do 2. If you could do 1, do 1. Don't ever have a week while a new blog post going up. That's the key. See, the key with blog is consistency. You have to set a schedule for yourself. So you gotta say, look, this blog here, I'm gonna do 2 blog posts a week. Just 2. I'm gonna do 2 blog posts a week. That's it. I'm gonna do 2. Write your 2 and you're done. Write 2 blog posts. And I know sometimes life get in the way, kids, spouse, the car breaks down, house, you gotta get something for the house. You're going out of town and stuff happens. You don't have time to get to your blog. That's why you should always pick a frequency that you're comfortable with. If you do 1 blog post a week, just do 1. I mean, you could have a full-time job and a part-time job with kids in between that, and after that, you don't have time for yourself. Do 1 blog post a week. And I said in my other videos, you can do a blog post on your phone. You can do a blog post on your phone on your breaks at work, okay? The frequency answer, if I had to pick a number, that if somebody asks me how many blog posts should I do a week to be successful on my blog, I say 3. Do 3 blog posts per week. But again, my number is 3. My frequency, I do a blog post every other day. So it'll be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Don't know why I picked that frequency. I stuck with it for a while. I might even go to a Monday and Wednesday, Friday schedule for a blog post, 3 blog posts per week. I might do something like that. That way I have more posts to timestamp in the future. But my number is, I do 3 a week. If you'll do 4 a week, do 4. If you do 5, do 5. Just here's some tips to keep in mind. The more content on your blog, the more content Google has to rank for, and the more content people can find. And I talk about this in my other videos. It's that fishing tail, that fishing analogy. The more lines you have in the water, the better your chance to catching more fish. If I have 2 lines in the water and you got 20, who's gonna catch more fish? The person with 20 fishing lines in the water. If I'm on a boat with 20 people and everybody has a rod and you're on the shore with 3, who's gonna catch more fish? I'm gonna catch more fish because I have more rods in the water catching more fish. So you gotta keep in mind, the more content you have in your blog, the better. But blog is a slow process. If you only do 2 or 1, just do 1 or 2. But please, just don't do none. Don't sit there and do none. Do at least 1. But if your frequency is 2, stick with 2. And I expressed on YouTube before, just if you do 2 blog posts, write 4. Write 4 blog posts in 3-4 days. That's why you have that first week done and the second week's done. So you have a week to write another piece of content. You have more time. So pick a frequency you're comfortable with. Stick to it. Don't deviate from it. If you have to scale down. But please do 1 blog post per week. Do not give up on your blog. I've been blogging seriously for November, December, January. This is going my 4th month. My 4th month I'm blogging. My blog made 0. My blog's made 0, okay? But I can't give up. I have to keep the frequency going. I have to keep going. Because the moment you quit, my blog, that 1 blog post could make it. Just keep running content no matter what. TyFitSking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.